Hello guys, today we will discuss about Oryx Exchange. So let's start. Oryx Exchange is a world-class exchange where crypto enthusiasts can buy high-quality cryptocurrencies and digital chips. Oryx was founded by Majid Mohsen, CEO. The platform is designed to ensure secure, safe, and autonomous transaction. With our advanced technology, you can perform an online business transaction and yet keep your identity private. Your funds are safe and protected from the reach of hackers and crypto thefts. Oryx allows users to purchase and sell as many digital currencies as they want matter of seconds. The exchange maintains the highest level of security to ensure that your funds are safe and is convenient for users, enabling them to trade using both an app and desktop. Everything is uninterrupted. Traders who pay in AUR enjoy an additional discount on the platform. Some features are Oryx Exchange. Oryx has a unbeatable speed of execution that make all transactions quick and efficient. Besides the data on the platform, company with PCI DSS standard and platform is safe from DDoS attacks. Quick and easy. Transactions are fast and at the same time the site user friendly. The transaction fees is high competitive compared to other related platforms. Oryx is a trusted across the world because of our continued pursuit of innovation and innovative features capable for transforming the management of goods and services globally. Oryx will provide people easy access to their crypto funds exchange options, many more convenient tech solutions. This way, will be contribute to the global transitions cryptocurrencies and enhance the replacement of the traditional banking system with decentralized finance. To make this finance come into easily, we do our best to define how crypto money being moved, spent, and invested. We developed the high-tech solution that allow people organizations to use cryptocurrencies easily as they use fiat. Thus, they have to attract more newcomers and encourage them to switch to more simple and useful crypto financial services. So Oryx Exchange provide a convenient way to invest in the most widely traded cryptocurrencies in simple way, both on the desktop and via and thus you provide an undisturbed traded experience for user. There are a mobile app where you can trading, payments, transfer and more all of your fingerprints. Oryx has also offered debit card powered by Visa Mastercard payment network that is associated with users' wallet. It allows customers to obtain cashback for all their purchase and other everyday transactions. Oryx token is a utility token that has some features over and above simple payment functionality or AUR over the overall Oryx ecosystem, giving the user particular benefits such as reduced fees on the platform. There are some example payment and cards trading token information. Oryx initial exchange offering will consist of 3 rounds, the first of which will commence on January. Early IO participants will receive additional bonuses token. So you can join this wonderful platform. This is also listed at MX Exchange. So thank you for